Welcome you all to the Civil Lecture Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly making videos regarding the job information for the engineering stream. So in this video we are going to discuss about the job which is came from Indovance, which is a private company. So in this for the stream engineering stream for civil, mechanical, architecture and even MBA are having vacancies. So these are going to be discussed in this video. So before going to know what is the job role and what are the vacancies are available, so please click on the subscribe button so to get the regular updates from our channel. So now we move on to their official website and where we can find out all the vacancies which is posted in their website. So this is their official website. So I am not going to talk much about the company. So straightly I'm going to the career section. So you can see that, and if you click on, you will get a page like this. So at bottom of this page you can find explore openings. If you click here, so you can go to the next page like this. So the current job opportunities which are being available in the private company. So you can see that for civil engineer, so 0 to 3 years of experience. So number of positions is 15. It's the work location is Pune. Sorry, the company which is being located in the Pune city, but it is going to be an all India applicable job. So the work is going to be on different mode also. So these are will be discussed in this video. So and then you can find out for the architecture, the job role is BIM modeler, and mechanical is design engineer, and then for even for architect, Revit modeler and architect. So you can find that you can see that there is a number of freshers vacancies are required. So you can even find out the desktop support engineer for the IT. So the experience required is 1 to 4 years only. So if you need to know much about the job role, you need to click on the title. So if you click on this title, the next page will be open like this. So the job is posted on 3/1/2022. So the number of so these things have been seen in the previous page itself. You can find out here. So at below that you can find out job description. In this they have mentioned you about what are the responsibilities and what are the area you are going to work. So it is related to survey and detailing and drafting. So you need to know the AutoCAD and Civil 3D design. For these are some of the required skills by the company. And then responsibilities. So you need to detail and draft all the drawings, and you need to know all the international codes, American, British, Swedish, German of civil engineering related to infrastructure, utilities, land development and survey. And you need to know the basic things which is came from the survey, like topography and boundary. So and some other things also you can see. And and as we discussed before, it is for 0 to 1 years experience. So even freshers can apply for this, and they are expecting the person with the excel verbal skills and detailing skills, that is AutoCAD, and process oriented, and they need to be a quick learner and ability to work independently. So these are the requirements which are being meant by the company from the candidate. And what are the benefits? So these are listed out. So the candidate, after getting placed in this company, so you can develop your skills, and the same time you can get some benefits like health insurance and health checkup. So these are the things which are been posted by the company. So after reading all this, and if you are eligible, you can strictly click on the section apply now. So by that you can apply for this job. Similarly you can do for the other jobs also. So I have highlighted only the civil engineering job. Even you can see that BIM modeler. So it is for the architecture, and then same way you can click on for the HR executive and desktop support engineer, so that you can find the job roles and requirements and eligible things. So I think this information might be useful for you. So if you are came up with some other stream other than civil, you can find out. I hear that IT mechanical also, right? So you can tell and share this information to your friends too, so that they can also be get benefited. So thank you. We will catch up in next video with some other job information. Bye.